Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I've worked about, a decade for IRS, and I'm an expert in IRS matters. I've worked thousands of cases. I've been on the national news many times, so I was the IRS, so I know what I'm talking about. You know, a lot of people out there shop for tax relief companies. It's shop, shop, shop. People almost have tax relief companies on speed dial, I swear. There's mistakes that people make. They don't know where to stop at. They hear what a person has to say and they look at the prices and they pretty much make decisions based on that. And you really can't do that, because if quality matters, if a result matter, if going ahead and understanding what you're trying to achieve matters, then you would shop a whole different way. See, people want to hear what they want to hear because salespeople tell them whatever they want to hear. Salespeople are very, very good. They read people, they take classes, they're skilled at communicating what people want to hear. So if you call a tax relief company and they know you're scared or you're nervous, they know the first thing they need to do is to calm you down. They can tell immediately what your buttons are they need to push. They then know, they work into how much to bill you, and then they go right through the chart that they have right next to them, the checklist of things they need to do. People don't know how to shop for tax relief companies. A matter of fact, I would say in this industry, 95% of the people do not get the results they need because they don't bring the case to the right people to resolve their cases. People are so price conscious, and they should, and they believe so gullible at what they want to hear, that someone can take care of their debt. They hear those two things and that's it, write the check. But there's a reality to this, and your case needs to be explained to you. It needs to be explained what needs to be achieved, the work that has to be done, and the cost, because every case that we have requires a degree of expertise to work that. I have worked over 10,000 of these cases. When I hear your case like that, I'm going to know how to resolve it. I will get calls. I can tell they've called 3 or 4 people, and they said so-and-so said they can take off all the penalties and interest, and they can knock down 50% of the debt. I said, did you give them a financial statement? They said, no, I just explained my situation to them. Well, let me tell you something. Unless somebody is looking at your financial statement, there's no way to tell you the outcome of your case at IRS. So I just want you to know, when you shop, you better know who the hell you're talking to. If you're not talking to an enrolled agent, a CPA, a former IRS agent, or an attorney, 90% right away your case is going to be doomed, because you have no idea who you're talking to, and those people are talking to you based on what they're hearing your needs are, and not the result given the result you need to have on your case. Please, when you shop, eliminate the big box firms and specifically look at people who specialize in resolution and speak to that person. Don't speak to the company. I'm just giving you the truth. Give me a subscription. Thank you much. Be careful when you shop. God, I get so many calls of people that get ripped off. Stop it.